Hello world, let me show you my final CS50 project. It's a basic AI based virtual assistant for Windows operating system and it's written in Python programming language. So let's see what it can do.
Good morning, sir. 50 at your service. How can I help?
Hello 50.
Hi, sir. Tell me what to do.
Introduce yourself.
My name is 50. I am an artificial intelligence-based virtual assistant, and I am here to serve you.
Open Chrome.
Okay, sir.
Close Chrome.
Okay, sir.
Open Notepad.
Okay, sir.
Close Notepad.
Okay, sir.
Open Twitter.
Okay, sir.
Close Twitter.
Okay, sir.
Search on Google.
What do you like to search?
Data structures.
Give me a second, sir.
Close Chrome.
Okay, sir.
Wikipedia computers.
According to Wikipedia, a computer is a machine that can be programmed to carry out sequences of arithmetic or logical operations automatically. Modern computers can perform generic sets of operations known as programs. Sir, is there anything else I can do?
Play video on YouTube.
Which video you like to play?
Week 0 CS50.
Playing Week 0 CS50 on YouTube. Enjoy.
Close Chrome.
Okay, sir.
Turn on lights.
Lights are on now.
Turn off lights.
Lights are off now.
Say this is CS50.
This is CS50.
Goodbye 50.
System shutdown initiated. Have a nice day.
So that's all about my project. I hope you liked it. My name is Prashant Kumar and this is CS50.